Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Ken's Show and Tell on this September 22nd, 2025. Due to my wife's mobility issues, we are having a home lift or elevator installed today by Stilts. This is the corner that the elevator is going to be in downstairs. But we have all the space from the window here all the way to the corner to put the elevator in, and it's going to go up through the ceiling there into our master bedroom. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you what that's like. So we walk this way into the central hallway, a 3-landing staircase. Go up that way. So let's just go on up this staircase. And here's the second landing, and now we get up here to the third landing. We're right above the front door and to our bedroom. Got everything moved over there, and the elevator will come up here and empty out into our master bedroom. This closet, which was added to the house probably in the 1970s, is of no consequence. So they're going to tear it out, and then we'll have another contractor come in and tidy things up. But today and tomorrow is supposed to be just the elevator. One of the current concerns we had with putting a home lift in our house is having to adapt it to this 195-year-old home. And they assured us they are used to working on old houses here in Virginia. He's arrived, and we've been already looking at what he needs to do in the house and where he needs to cut into the floor and sister in some joists for the lift. I hear work. Let's go in there and see what he's doing. Interesting. He's supporting the floor from above because he has to cut a joist, one joist into right up in here where this elevator is going to be, and so for safety reasons he's supporting the floor right here. Let's go upstairs and see what it looks like. Oh, he's behind that door there. I hear a vacuum cleaner and I hear stuff. I don't want to startle him, so let's just... Whoa, look at that. Okay. Do you mind explaining to us what you have done?
Sure. So I've taken the flooring out now, and I'm working on taking out this joist here, and I'm going to put there'll be a double header that'll hang here and support from here throughout. So I'm just working my way down through now.
Wow, very neat.
I did find something. I don't know how old it is, but there's a mouse.
Oh yeah, okay.
Kind of there, so that could be
collectible.
Yeah.
That could be a collectible mouse. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So yeah, so I'm just cutting this out of the way and working my way down through it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's true dimensional lumber, isn't it?
Right. Yes. Yeah. They don't make it like this anymore. So between the flooring and that, yep. And then even your plaster and your lathe and all that keeps everything tied in together too.
Good work.
Yeah.
And I see you've knocked out this closet.
Yep. Yeah.
As much as you
there. So yeah, I'm gonna then work through the rest of it. And
okay.
We'll be in good shape.
Yeah, I'll say.
Yes, sir.
Here's the joist he's cut off for the hole for the lift, And he's put in these 2x4s right here and nailed them to the side of the joist. And then he's got a hanger over here and a hanger right here. And then he's going to put two 2x12s going across here and then form a box. See how thick that joist is? Here it is right over here. All right. Well, there it is. There's the part of the car anyway. Or there's the guts of it. The motor, the continuous cable mechanism for the lift. So I'm standing at the back of how it would sit. This must be the front. And I think this unit sits on top. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's nice.
Keith,
Yeah.
is this I read about the continuous loop mechanism. Is that what I'm looking at there?
Yeah. So this is the drum.
Yep.
With the winch that actually pulls this whole system up and lifts the whole cab up.
Wow.
Yep.
It's really
So
compact.
this is the brain and the power.
There you go. There you go. Thank you, Keith. Amazing piece of machinery. And here he comes with more stuff. I'll get out of the way. It's really quite pretty, isn't it? Huh. So these must be the stilts.
Yep. These are the stilts.
The casing for the stilts. And the stilts themselves. Wow. Steel base. Cut to cover up the opening in the floor now. And so when you're riding up and down on the elevator, you don't have that view anymore going into the
Right. Yeah.
into under the floor. Trace the liner, and you guys do a 1/4 inch away.
A 1/4 inch away from the liner. That way the actual liner fits without it being too snug. And then we'll cut through.
Yeah.
Well, it's not too bad. Just securing the rails, getting them on in here so they don't buckle. Because if you don't do this and something gets loose, they'll buckle.
That's not good.
Yeah, so
Buckling's not good.
don't want them to buckle.
No. I like your spreader there to separate.
Oh yeah, the spacers, yeah, they come in handy. Figured it out?
Yeah, I figured it out.
Did?
Yeah, hand me a level.
Alright.
Well, that's one thing this old house isn't. It's level.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this is definitely,
Yeah.
the floor is,
Yep. 195 years to settle. The adjustments are interesting. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's pretty much where we want it
All right.
to sit. If I go up a little bit more, it will be a small little lip.
No, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
No.
Um,
I think that's fine
Okay.
because
Over time.
no one's going to trip on it.
Right, exactly. Coming in or out, so. Yeah, it's perfect.
Very good. Oh, look, you're modeling it. Very good.
All right, so now I'm going to secure that and get these gripper rods in. So the gripper rods here are going to be your safety measure. All right, so we're here. We need to be.
It stops automatically.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Adjusted perfectly.
Yeah, so technically, when this goes down, this lid will always be in between the rails, and it will it'll fit back into this place.
Yes.
Let's see. All right, so now we're gonna take this back off, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the gripper rods.
So that plate, it just sits on top and lets gravity
Oh yeah,
do its thing.
You can walk on it and everything. It actually will hold up to 375 pounds, and it's just there to close that hole up, you know. So, so for now, take it on. Those two and those two. So this is the fun part.
Oh. Installing the safety rods.
And they have like oil on them too,
Oh,
so that
gosh.
makes it even harder
Yes.
to spin them out. But
Yeah. Keep them from rusting. At least slow the process down.
yeah.
You look funny down there.
Yeah. It's so tall. And I'm like peeking through the floor.
There's Diana's first ride. After exhaustive in-service. There she is.
But I wish I'd dressed up for this again. That's nice. I thought it was,
And
thought it was
just-
breaking at first. You said that things were stretching.
Very nice. Very nice. The elevator is finished. So let's do a demonstration ride and keep in mind that this room's going to be refinished in a few weeks. So please try to ignore the demo that's still here and the repairs to be done by a different crew. So here I am upstairs in our master bedroom, and here's the elevator that's downstairs. So let's call it upstairs. In order to call the elevator, you have to use this remote. So let's bring it upstairs. This lid can support 275 pounds just like the elevator can. There it is. Let's climb aboard. Reach up here and pull the door open. That light goes on and off on a timer and automatically. Here's the floor. Now let's step in. Shut the door. Now here's your controls. Right here, up, down, the green light means everything's okay. Let's press this button and we will take our ride down. Into the den below. And we have landed. And you exit. Shut the door. And there you go. So now let's ride it back up. And here we are. Thank you for watching Ken's Show and Tell.